Hi friends, welcome back to channel. In this video, we'll discuss about Nifty and Bank Nifty daily levels. Before starting the discussion, if you are new here, do subscribe to my channel by hitting the subscribe button to get the latest video updates. So let's start the discussion about the technical analysis of Nifty 50. In yesterday's video, we have discussed that if the market sustains above this 17,900 levels and if the market tries to move above on the upper side, then this 18,000 level will be acting as a good resistance point. And if the market sustains above this 18,000 level, then we can expect a good rally after this 18,100 to 18,150 levels. But as per our discussion and analysis, the market couldn't sustain above this 18,100 and 18,150 levels. The market opened flat, and the market from there, eventually the market came down. So in the first candle itself, the market has closed the gap, and in yesterday's video, we have discussed that after closing the gap, if the market still continues to fall on the downer side, then we can expect a further fall up to this level. This is acting as a good support point, and the market has reached this level also, and the 70,600 level is acting as a good support point, and from there the market has retraced upside. So in today's session, the market has closed at 70,782.95 level. And in yesterday's video, we have also discussed that all these three candles were the inside bar candlestick patterns, and this is one kind of a pennant pattern. So the market has closed on the downer side. And one thing we need to notice that in pennant pattern is a corrective pattern, and most of the times in pennant patterns it breaks towards the previous trend only. That is, the previous trend was downtrend, and after completion of this pennant pattern, it closed and it break the downside only. Then there was a good rally after this post breakout. So it reached the 17,600 level, and from there it has moved, and then again the market has moving up, and in today's market the market has closed at 17,782 levels. And coming to this tomorrow's analysis, if the market moves up, then we can expect a further rally up to the 70,900 level on the upper side, and this level will be acting as a good resistance point. So this will be the first target for tomorrow's upper side, and if the market still continues to move upper side, then we can expect this 18,000 level will be acting as a next target, and this level will be acting as a good support point. And if the market couldn't sustain above the 17,900 level, and if the market continues to fall from that 17,900 level, then we can expect a downside rally up to the 17,600 levels once again. And if the market closes below the 17,600 level, then we can expect a further fall up to the 17,500 level, because this 17,500 level is a previous support zone. Here we can see a support zone. If we extend the support zone till here, then we can expect this support zone will be acting as a support zone for tomorrow's session also. And this is earlier this was acting as a good support point for the previous movements of the Nifty 50. So in tomorrow's session, the 17,1500 level will be acting as a good support point. And apart from this, this pitchfork upper trend line will be acting as a good support point for the Nifty 50 also. So before that, the market has to close below the 70,600 level, then only we can expect a good fall up to the 70,500 level. That is up to this level. So this is about the technical analysis of the Nifty 50. And downer side, the support point is at the 17,500, and on the upper side 70,900 level or 18,000 will be acting as a good resistance point for the Nifty 50. Coming to the individual levels, in today's market, the market has closed at 70,757 level. If the market tries to move up, then this 70,779 level will be acting at a good resistance point. If the market closes above this level and sustains for at least 30 minutes to 1 hour, then we can expect a good rally up to the 70,853 level, and we can consider this one as a daily target. And if the market closes above this level, then we can expect a further rally up to the 70,949 level, and we can consider this one as an extreme target. If the market couldn't sustain above this level, and if the market reverses from this 779 level or 793 level, and we can expect a fall up to this 17,738 level, and this level will be acting as a good support point. And if the market closes below this level and sustains below this level for at least 30 minutes to 1 hour, then we can expect a further fall up to the 70,677 level, and we can consider this level as a daily target. And if the market closes below this level, then we can expect a further fall up to the 70,597 level, and this level will be acting as a extreme target. And we all know that these extreme targets can be achieved whenever there is a good momentum in the market, or else we can consider these daily targets as our final targets, and we can book partial profits at this daily target. Or if the market is lacking momentum, then we can consider this daily targets as our final targets, and we can book complete profits also. So this is about the technical analysis of Nifty 50. Coming to the technical analysis of Bank Nifty, in yesterday's video we have discussed that market has came down and breached this important trend line, which is acting as a good support point, and tested this 37,800, 37,700 levels yesterday. and the market has moved up once again, and this trend line is acting as a good resistance point for yesterday's session. So in yesterday's video we have discussed that if the market sustains above this trend line and the market tries to move above this trend line, then we can expect a good rally up to this 38,400 to 38,500 levels on the upper side. But if the market couldn't sustain above this level, then we can expect a good fall up to this 13,600 to 13,500 levels on the downer side, and this will be acting as a first target. And if the market still continues to fall on the downer side, this 13,000 level or 13,150 level will be acting as a good support point for the bank nifty. So that was the yesterday's analysis, and in today's market the market has created a pennant pattern, and the market opened gap up opening and it couldn't sustain above this trend line, and the market eventually came down and closed below this trend line only. So in overall in today's market it has created a pennant pattern, and the market in 115 candle it has closed below this pennant pattern, because pennant pattern most of the times we can see that it closes it moves in the direction of the previous trend only. So based on that the market has came down and it closed below this pennant pattern, and it reached our target, that is 13,500 levels on the downward side. And from there was a buying pressure, and again it went up, and again this pennant pattern's lower trend line is acting as a good resistance point. In coming to the tomorrow's analysis, if the market moves up and if the market tries to close above this trend line tomorrow, then we can expect a further rally up to this 38,000 level, and this 38,000 level will be acting as a good resistance point both emotionally and psychologically, and this is a round number also. And if the market tries to close above this 30,000 level, then we can expect a good rally up to this 38,100 to 38,150 level, and if the market closes above this 38,150 level, then this 38,400 and 500 levels will be opened once again, and we can expect a good rally up to this 30,400 to 500 levels on the upper side. So these are the levels on the upper side, and this will be moved in the stepwise manner. And if the market doesn't try to move on the upper side, if the market opens flat and if the market comes down, the first target will be this 13,500 level only, and if the market closes below this 13,500 level, then we can expect a further fall up to this 13,200 or 13,150 level, and if the market closes below this level, then we can expect a further fall up to this 13,000 level, because this 13,150 level it is acting as a good support point, and we all know that this is a rising wedge pattern, and the target for this rising wedge pattern on the downward side is 13,150 level. So if the market comes down in the bank nifty, then we can expect a fall up to this 13,150 level, and the market takes a halt at this 13,150 level, and from there the market can eventually move on the upper side. So this is about the technical analysis of bank nifty. And coming to the individual levels, in today's market the market has closed at 13,850 levels, and if the market tries to move up, this 13,919 level will be acting as a good resistance point. If the market sustains above this level for at least 30 minutes to 1 hour, then we can expect a further rally up to this 38,142 level, and we can consider this level as a daily target. And if the market closes above this level, then we can expect a further rally up to this 38,433 level, and we can consider this level as an extreme target. And if the market doesn't sustain above this level and if the market reverses from this level, then we can expect a fall up to this 13,789 level, and if the market sustains below this level for at least 30 minutes to 1 hour, then we can expect a further fall up to this 13,589 level, and this 13,589 level will be acting as a good daily target. And if the market closes below this level, then we can expect a further fall up to this 13,329 level. This 329 level will be acting as a good extreme target. And there is one more point to consider in this individual levels. Both this target, that is 38,142 level and this 38,433 level, and on the downer side this 589 and this 329 level, these are the levels which we have discussed in the technical analysis of the bank nifty, and the levels in my individual analysis and in the technical analysis chart both are coinciding. So whenever there is a coinciding between these two analyses, then we can expect these levels will be acting as an area of confluence, and these levels will be acting as a good support and resistance point. So and most probably the market will be moving in for tomorrow's session in between these two levels, that is 38,142 levels and this 13,329 levels only. So this is about the technical analysis of Nifty and Bank Nifty. I hope you have liked this video. If you have liked this video, do subscribe to my channel by hitting the subscribe button to get the latest video updates. Thank you. Jai Hind.